Welcome to the Beam Embroidery Training. This video on magnetic hooping for embroidery covers the basics on using a magnetic hoop and some helpful related tools. Some materials at your workstation might include your jig, your fabric, backing, and hoop. You'll go ahead and pull apart your hoop. There is a pinch hazard as well as a pacemaker hazard, so make sure you set them apart with some distance so they don't snap together. Make sure you place the outer hoop into the jig with the white side down. Pull and release the clamp when the hoop is aligned in the groove. Then you'll pull up the black clamps and place your backing down. You can cut this down to a smaller size if it is a fair amount larger than the dimensions of the hoop, but make sure to leave about an extra inch of room along the edge of your backing to ensure it covers the entire area of the hoop. At this point, you can grab your fabric and center it on the hoop. Placement is important, so try to keep the fabric centered within the hoop. If you can keep the orientation too, that's easiest, but not always possible, such as in objects that are narrow or tapered at one end, like a beanie. Replace the black clamps, and then grab the top side of the hoop. This should be the side with the arms, and rotate the hoop so the arm with this notch is on the right, which will go into the right arm of the embroidery machine. Then look for these bolts, which will go into this groove onto the jig. Keeping fingers clear of the zone between the two hoops, press down on the two acrylic arms until the hoop sides snap together. Release the clamps, and then lift your fabric and hoop off the jig to load into the machine. Make sure you check the tautness of your material and to make sure there are no major wrinkles or defects on your fabric or backing.